I've been feeling a bit gray in my mind lately, and it's because I am standing in the middle of an upgrade in my life. But in that, it just feels a bit sad, actually. And it's not some major big thing why it feels sad. It just feels gray. It's the only way I can explain it. And there's a lot of things that I'm letting go of, and there's a lot of new stuff, new information that is coming through. And when I'm in these processes, for me, it's the nature. I just want to be in nature all the time. I just want to be outside because that feels so it just feels so healing, and it just feels so nurturing. And that's exactly what I need in those phases. And when I'm in these phases or processes, my body is so swollen. There's so much water in my body, and my body tells me to slow down. So there's a lot of things that I'm usually doing, like exercise and things like that, that I'm not able to do. And that is something I really embracing and learn to embrace again, because my face and everything is changing. And I've been through this so many times, so I know this, but I haven't been liking it. I don't like it. But I'm learning to embrace it, and so I can love myself and love my body through those changes. But it's kind of weird.
Today I found a wallet in the middle of the road and I turned my car around and picked it up and the I did some research and I found the guy who owned the wallet and he was super grateful. And when he came to pick up the wallet, he asked me, "Can I send you some money?" Because he was really grateful. And I just know you don't need to do that. And he had money in his wallet and he just picked it up and said, "Please, it's my culture. Please take the money." And I just looked at him and I don't want to block that because I can really, really feel what he was expressing. So I took the money and I went inside because he left, and I went inside and I just started to cry. And I cried and I cried and I cried, so deeply crying. And it was a huge release because the full experience just felt to me like grace. The thing he didn't know, of course, was that I actually really needed the money. And it was almost the same amount of money that I gave to someone else. And I was wondering, do I have those money to give? And I just had a really, um, yeah, thing with myself. And I chose to give the money because I know how much that means. And in this case, I got almost all the money back because I found this wallet in the middle of the road today. And it was just so moving. And I could really, really feel that he was so grateful, not just in a wallet, someone has um, drive over it, so the card was broken, and he gave away the money, but he was so I'm sorry, he was so grateful anyway. And that was just uh so big to me. It was just so beautiful. And it was a huge release because that's a theme I'm working on to change my relationship to money, to look at how I relate, how I look at it, and the energy that is lying beneath from the subconscious level, and look at all the things from my childhood and everything I have adopted and everything. So it's just a full on theme on my journey that I'm learning about now. So this thing was just so beautiful, and it also felt so much bigger than the money. It was just, yeah, it was just beautiful.